Today we will talk about airbags. Airbags in automobiles. Now these are like a balloon which gets inflated with nitrogen, and when there is an impact due to accident, your head moves forward. So in airbags you have a sensor which activates the airbag. There's a balloon which inflates and pushes your head backwards. So it protects your head in moving forward. If you are on the driver's side, there is a chance your head will hit the steering wheel. So it will protect that. It will protect your head from hitting the steering wheel. And if beside you there is a passenger, his head might hit the windscreen. So they have an airbag here also, which will protect his head from hitting the windscreen. Now, wherever you have the airbag, it will be written airbag and SRS. What is SRS? It is a secondary restraint system. Your primary restraint system, which will keep you on your seat and also prevent your head from going forward, is your seat belt. So seat belt is your primary restraint system and airbag is your secondary restraint. If you do not put your seat belt, you will not be in your seat during the accident and the airbag will not protect you. In some more expensive cars, there is a sensor in your seat belt. If your seat belt is not fastened, the airbag will not operate. Again, you will not get protection. Now, suppose your car is moving forward at 70 kilometers per hour and there's another car which hits you with the same, and the speed of that car is also 70 kilometers per hour. So the speed at which your head will move forward will be 70 plus 70. That is about 140 kilometers per hour. And the speed at which the airbag pushes your head backwards is also fixed at about 140 kilometers per hour. So your head moves forward in this case at 140 kilometers per hour and your head is pushed backward at the same speed. So your head remains where it is and you get protection. The only problem is, suppose you are at low speed, let's say 10 kilometers per hour, and the other car is also, let's say, at 10 kilometers per hour. So now if there is an accident, the speed at which your head goes forward will be 10 plus 10, which is about 20 kilometers per hour. And the speed at which your head will go backwards once the airbag is inflated will be 140. So your relative speed at which your head goes backward will be 140 minus 20. That is about 120 kilometers per hour. So this is a problem because at this speed your head will go backward and hit the head rest. The correct name is neck restraint because it is not supposed to rest your head, it is supposed to protect your neck. So this can cause injury if your speed is less and the other car's speed is also less. Your head might hit back. It might hit you. It might hit the neck restraint or the headrest and cause some damage, some injury. The other problem in airbag is once it inflates, there is an explosion which releases the nitrogen gas. This is only for 1 second and it creates a loud noise of about 140 decibels, which can damage your eardrum. Safe decibel is about 120, but at this 1 second noise you get is more than 120, it's about 140. So these are the two disadvantages of airbag. But they have more advantages and equipped with airbags.